Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Hey guys, this is my little crate that I painted red. I'm using a sign from Dollar Tree that I took apart. It's got the little welcome sign, it's got the little red truck. I painted, like I said, I painted the crate red. I put little brick fabric inside so it looks like a little road. And I'm going to glue that to the top. You can see the little material that I had that looks like a brick road. I'm going to glue that in there. Here I have my little Christmas trees that I'm going to put in there. I got these from Hobby Lobby, the little white ones. Got the green ones that I got from Dollar Tree. So the little Christmas trees are glued down in the back. The white one from Hobby Lobby, the green one from Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to add all these little ones that I got from Dollar Tree. These are so cute. These are the brush Christmas trees. You can do so much with these. Look how cute that is. It's like you can make any kind of little Christmas scene that you want. And I got a little white truck, which was actually, they were ornaments that I got at Walmart's. They were ornaments that you hang on a tree, and I cut the little tip off. As you can see, I'm cutting it off now because they were ornaments, and I'm going to glue them inside my little crate. Look how cute that is. It's like a little Christmas tree farm. The little trucks are picking up the trees and taking them out to different people. All right, I'm going to glue the sign. I'm using wood glue too because it is like a piece of wood almost. I'm gluing it to my little wooden crate. And I'm sort of putting it in that little groove. And add a little of my glue gun just to get it to stay for a while. Alright, I've decided I'm going to put a little piece of wood in the back. I use those Jenga blocks that you get from Dollar Tree for $1. And I'm going to glue that down to the back just to give it more stabilization so that it won't fall. I'm going to glue some more of the little brush trees to the top of it because it is a Christmas tree farm. And the little sign says, "Welcome to the Christmas tree farm." I'm going to add some greenery to the top, like a little wreath. I think at Christmas time they have so many cute crafts that you can craft with, which makes it more fun. And there it is. Welcome to the tree farm. Oops, a little wreath fell off. Let's tack it back up. Probably needs more glue. Okay, my next one is these cute little snowmen. I got these at Dollar General, I believe. Yeah, I got them at Dollar General. It says $3. And they light up. That's what makes them so cute. See how they light up? How cute is that? Okay, I got my little jars at Dollar Tree. I'm using some Epsom salt to portray some snow. I got the wrong kind of Epsom salt before. I got the one that was lavender, and I'm allergic to different fragrances, and oh my gosh, it was horrible. I had to put it out in the garage because it was giving me a headache. I'm super sensitive to odors and fragrances, so everything has to be like fragrance free. Allergies are terrible. Okay, you can't see it because it's out of focus, but what I did was I poured some Mod Podge into the glass, and then I sprinkled the Epsom salt and sort of shook it around, and then I took a brush that would make it a little more easier to, you know, get it around the sides and the inside. So here goes the Epsom salt, and then I'm just going to shake it. Again, I'm sorry it's out of focus, but it was Mod Podge first. Took the brush, smoothed it around, and then I put in Epsom salt because I want it to look like a snowy frosted glass. Okay, I did the same thing to the second one. It's a little messy, but it's okay. You can just take the paper plate and throw it away afterwards. I have brown paper, which is like a craft paper down. So you can just throw that away if you get it all over the place. And then you just drop it into your other little glass that you've already prepared with the Epsom salt and the Mod Podge. You're sort of letting it dry. I'm going to put a little light that you get from the Dollar Tree. Got the batteries in it. So you just, it's like the push button one. And then I'm going to glue him on top. Once you glue him, you have to sort of hold him there until he dries a little bit. So just add more glue and just press him down on the glass. I'm going to put the little light inside to his little tummy. And I'll turn him on. I'm going to add a little ribbon around his neck. So cute, he's all lit up. So you can add a little ribbon, like I said, and not ribbon, but like a scarf. Okay, that is like the snow that I use. It's a crystal clear, little crystal clear things, little bits and pieces. This is another one I'm making. I did the same thing with the Mod Podge and the Epsom salt, and I also used some of those crystals. It was like a glitter type crystal, but it was more of a white. And this guy's getting his face lit up. He's cute. He's got that cute little carrot nose. Gonna glue him on top like I did the other one. Like I said, you can add scarves, you can add different things to him if you want to. You can even put little buttons on his little tummy. I'm using E6000 and I'm using the hot glue gun. These make like cute little night lights in your kids' rooms. You can give them away as gifts. Put them in your foyer so you light up your little hallway. Add more glue, because you really need to add a lot of glue so his head doesn't fall off. Yep, we don't want him losing his head. Okay, I'm cutting the scarf that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to make him a little neck scarf. And I'm making a little fringe on the ends of his scarf. Just take a pair of scissors, cut it. That's the light from Dollar Tree. Look how cute he is. It makes a cute little night light, doesn't it? Light up a little kid's room, light up your hallway. Right there's my first one, which is Welcome to the Tree Farm. Look how cute they are. I did put a scarf on the other guy. And I want to thank you for watching, and hope you're having a great day.